The city's bustling, it's vibrant all the time, just like the summit.
It's a great place to host an event like this.
It's nice to have an organization that is continuously trying to improve and better their project managers.
To be part of the summit here in the city, it's inspiring to take it back and go, okay, I just got these skills, I just got these resources, whether it was a new relationship or a new hard skill or soft skill, I can take it and now I have an outlet for it right now. You know, and all of us do that are here. We have a project or a conversation or a relationship we can take these skills back to and utilize. So it's helpful for me, it's helpful for my job. I know it's helpful for my relationship with my wife and kids.
Everyone has poured into me since day one, and it's really, it increased my knowledge exponentially. I'm just thrilled to see what the possibilities are.
I owned a construction management company for about 15 years and recently came to Alair Homes Decatur. There's some pretty set programs for project management, but none that really focus on construction project management. So Alair's development in that and the PM Summit, it's a really good place to start for PM development. And also I've noticed that it's a really good start in developing PMs to eventually become partners. So they have a really nice streamlined process for advancement.
I think Alair is really good for putting people in situations that are going to help them grow. So if you're going to go to those things, you're going to be put around other people that have gone through the same thing.
I love the opportunity of getting together with the other project managers from around North America, sit in a room and, use each other as soundboards, talk about positives, talk about negatives, and just really learn from each other.
The respect that the upper level leadership within Alair has for the project managers and the understanding that the backbone of this company is us. It's project managers, the boots on the ground, the other support staff within the offices. That's who's interacting with the client. That's who's giving the experience. That's who's working with the trade partners and our vendors. So to instill that, I hate to use the word standardize that, but instill that and standardize that philosophy within the culture is crucial, and these events kind of really bring that out.
It's been incredible. I'm just grateful and thank you everyone for putting this together.
Yeah, it was the best. I want to do that again.
I left there feeling refreshed and rejuvenated and ready to get back to work.